Hi guys, today I want to talk about the mean, the median and the mode. Um, First of all, the mean is the same thing than the average. So in case you get confused with that term, it's exactly the same thing. Um, in our current example, we have a data set. It contains 9 rows. And this is about students taking a test and their test scores. As you can see, they range from 1 to 8. What we're going to do now is we're going to calculate the mean quite easily within Google Sheets. So we will be taking the sum here, sum out of these points, close bracket, is 36. So we know that the total points of our data set is 36 test points that our students actually achieved. We also know that there are 9 students, means 36 divided by 9 is the average out of the total amount, which is quite easily to calculate. So we can just take this, divide it by 9, and we got 4. So the mean of that data set, the average of this data set is a 4. Secondly, we want to look at the median. The median is a bit different. What the median basically does, it looks at the middle of a data set. Meaning, if you have a data set out of 9 rows, we want to have exactly the middle. In this case, this data is not cleaned. So what we have to do here is first we have to take that data and we have to sort it by smallest to biggest, or also we could do biggest to smallest, doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to put that down here for a sec, and we'll put a filter here for this data set, and we'll just sort it by the smallest to the largest. Just going to remove this one for now. And if we go through the data set, we have to now find exactly the middle, and the middle is the number 5. So we got 4 in front of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got the middle, and then we got 4 afterwards. So this would be the median. So our median is 3. Then the mode is a bit different. The mode is basically having a look at the entire data set, and it looks at the frequency of certain test points, or of all test points. And as we look into this data set, we can see that the 3 appears most often in the data set, meaning that the mode is 3. And that's how easy you calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. If you have a median with 10 numbers, then 5 wouldn't be the middle, it would be 5 and 6, and then you just take the average out of it.